Everyone here knows they're part of something special. We are the guys that wake up every day and have a passion for what we do and really care about what we do.
So this is not like your normal contracting company, and you can tell that from the minute you walk in the door.
It comes down to the people. We just have an amazing group of people.
We're all just here because we want to help people.
I love the culture, what we stand for, the services we provide.
We empower our employees. They feel the joy when they come in every day, and they're passionate about what they do.
You know, to find the right people and to show them that you trust them and to train them and to allow them to become who that we see that they can be. That's something that I'm very proud of.
The values for Master Foundation are not just something that's on the wall. We live them. And the culture starts with Larry and Dustin. They show that they care about the employees.
Dustin talks about it all the time, doing the right thing, not just for the customer. Obviously, we're gonna do that for them every single time, but for everybody that you work with as well.
It's doing the right thing by your team, whoever that is, making sure they have what they need, they're supported. And it's making sure that that customer understands that when you come in, their homes are taken care of and you're providing the wow service that they deserve.
It's not just about doing the job correctly and doing it the right way. It's also about the way you treat the customer while you're on the property.
And when you're making your decisions based upon that, I don't see how you could go wrong.
What those guys do from the time they get out of the truck to the time they get back in that truck is what people rely on us for. But there's a lot behind that. It's the team that we assemble and everything that we do behind the scenes to field that team.
We will go the extra mile to make certain that when we leave, our customers happy.
It's doing it because you want to, not because you have to.
People say it, but we really do it and stand by it, and we train on it.
We have the opportunity to become the best every single day.
We want you to learn as much knowledge as you can. We want you to help as many people as you can. And the more we can share that knowledge, the more people we can help.
We can train someone. What we need are people that's genuinely going to come in and care about doing a good job and care about people and not just a paycheck. And it starts with Larry.
Larry Janeski started Basement Systems in 1987.
All the basement waterproofing contractors at the time were going out trying to fix a leak. You can fix a leak and it'll leak again next year, but to finish your basement and never have to worry about it, that's completely different.
So, Larry got started with a mission and a goal, and it was to improve homes, making sure that they had the best products possible and the teams that were installing at the best training possible.
You could tell he cares. He truly loves what he does.
This is a guy that stands behind his products and the team that's there supporting him.
It's the products and it's the people, and when you put those together, we can be a contractor that the homeowner can rely on and that we can be very proud of. It starts with leadership. Dustin Coffey is a special guy. He is an amazing leader.
He's never made a commitment to me that he's not followed through with.
It's not like you're being micromanaged. He fully trusts you to do your job.
He's always smiling. He's always asking how you're doing. Anytime you need something, you call him. He's always answering. He's always there for you.
I love to constantly challenge people and really kind of remind them that they're capable of doing more. Whatever that is, it brings joy to my heart. It's really the reason that I do what I do. We do a lot of community events, whether it be serving food for a food bank or whether it be wrapping Christmas gifts for underprivileged children or whatever it is. We find it's super important for them to see not only that we're a company, but we're a company that cares.
With Hurricane Helene, people were left, with tragic circumstances.
We had people all over our service area that lost everything.
It was a very devastating time for our community here and even some of our employees. So when that was happening, we were trying to find any way that we could be of service to anybody.
There was a double-wide modular home that had shifted on its foundation. This was a mother with a young daughter.
We were in a manager's meeting and we just made the decision then and there. What all can we do? What can we provide and how can we provide it?
And so we're able to get a team together and come back and reset that foundation and give them a stable area to live, somewhere that they felt safe in.
Love being a part of a company that will just roll up their sleeves and help.
The team was able to get together and donate pallets of water, clothes, and just provide a hot meal.
We were able to feed around over 500 people.
You know, when it comes time to help someone, it should never be looked as a burden, because we've been put in that position for a reason.
That's what we do here. We're in the volunteer state, and we definitely take care of each other.
Just doing our part to help where we could, because it's our community. I mean, those are our people.
We all come in, we have jobs to do, and we do a really good job of that, staying focused. But if you can be a part of something much bigger than just coming to work, impacting somebody's lives, it's contagious.
When the homeowner sees this logo, you know, that should represent that they have the best in the industry.
It's a name you can trust, and it's a product you can trust, and it's a team you can trust.
Every day I get up and I get to make a difference by doing what's right for the customer.
From the scheduling the appointment to when we're doing the final walkthrough, we want to make sure that homeowner is satisfied with what we've done, and to let them know they're part of the family now and we're not going anywhere.
It's because it's just the right thing to do, and that's just the way that we do things here.
Most of my team's been here for 5, 8, 10 years, and it's just fantastic people, and we just live and breathe our values.
Because happy employees leave happy customers.
When I started, I just needed a paycheck to make the ends meet. I had no intention of turning this into a career, and now, at this point, I hope I am able to retire here.
People are the heart and the soul of any company. And what I'm most proud of is that our people stay with us year over year over year over year. And when your people stay, they get more experience. They don't make many mistakes when they're so experienced, and they want to be here the next day and the next day and the next day and the next year and the next year and next year. And I love that.